Welcome to my channel, Kathie's Heart, the place where I share all things near and dear to me. Now stay right there. Don't go away. You'll want to see the next episode from Kathie's Heart. Hey now, good to see ya. Now if you were here last week, I showed you how I planted my carrots, Swiss chard, and spinach in my 5-gallon buckets. So I'm so glad you're here. Now I can show you. Look, it's my babies. It's my carrot seeds. Can you see them? And my babies, they're alive. Whew, y'all have to excuse me. I just get excited when I see my seeds sprouting that I planted. Now next you'll see my baby Swiss chard. And then you see my baby spinach. And if you'll notice, this potting soil has big pieces of wood chips. And that's what I was talking about when I was saying I had to use some of the lighter topsoil that I had when I was planting my carrots, just in case it was going to stop my carrots from sprouting right. Now, if I have encouraged you to try growing in 5-gallon buckets, here's a few tips for you. Keep your soil moist. Don't let your babies go thirsty. If the soil dries out, then your seeds won't germinate. Number 2, protect those babies. You can use a garden cloth, you can use a sheet, you can use an umbrella, or just keep them in the shade if it's too hot. Now, number 3, fertilize. Now, I'm new to this part, but I've learned that it's very important when you're growing in containers to feed that soil. Now, I've learned that you can use eggshells or banana peels or Epsom salt and other things like that, but every plant has its own specific need, so don't just go throwing all that stuff on your babies. Well, I'm so glad that you decided to come by today. I really had a great time sharing with you. Now, if you like my video, please like, comment, tell me what you're doing in your garden, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.